What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a cool looking watch, the newly released the GBD-200 G-shock watch, GBD-200. Let's check it out. Let's go. Alright, and thanks for joining me. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I do a lot of content, G-shock related, upcoming releases, new releases, limited editions, how-to videos, customizations, all that G-shock content, all related. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Today, we're taking a look at the GBD-200-1. This is the black edition of the GBD-200, newly released watch that was pretty much released across the world. This one here is the US version. It comes in the box here. Here's the model number GBD-200-1. One is for black. Module number 3506. And that's your SKU in case you're interested in looking for it. They recently restocked at the Casio website. So if you're interested, please consider buying this one. There's also a yellow and a blue version. The yellow has also reached the US. The blue one is strictly Japan, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe other countries, but if I'm not mistaken, it's only Japan for the blue one. So yellow and black are the US versions. The yellow one's a little bit more harder to find. It's a more popular color variation than the black one. Here is the black one. I do have the yellow one coming, and I think I'm gonna fall in love with that one just because of the color. It's a nice neon yellow. Here's the manual, 3506. Which helps you for nothing. This is very limited information in here, how to kind of switch between modes. But otherwise, you're gonna have to refer to your phone and the PDF version of the manual for information on this watch. Here's the tin itself of this watch. It's nice, cool. This is the new tin that released recently. So this is a common kind of tin that you'll find. Inside you'll find the warranty card, international warranty card, and here is your tag. GBD-200-1, module 3506, and like I said earlier, retails for $150 in the US. The yellow one sold out, the black and yellow one sold out on the first wave, and the prices kind of went up in the market. I just noticed today that they restocked this model on the Casio G-shock website. So consider getting it before they sell out again. It is a popular model. It's a beautiful model, and I can understand why it's becoming popular and it's gaining a lot of traction on the community, the G-shock community. So I'm going to do a not only an unboxing, but I'm also going to go and walk through the functions of this watch, and I'll do a deeper dive in later videos on how to operate the watch, because it is quite the complicated watch if you're new to G-shocks. Even I had to sit there and tinker around with the modes and the operation of this watch. You can see I got notifications already on there because I set it up to my phone. But I'll walk you through all the display, all the different windows of this watch, and then I'll talk to you later about some of the functions, notifications, and whatnot. Maybe in this video, if not the next one. I don't want to make it too long. So starting right out the bat, you have the home window. This is the window you're meted and greeted with initially with the watch. In this window, you have the time setting mode, the day of the week, the seconds window, the date window, and then you got a bunch of different notifications around the window. Starting off here, you have the notifications, how many notifications you have, and you can notice here, my watch is just connected to Bluetooth. It's off and on because I am operating my phone here as I record this video. So you have, once you disconnect or connect the phone to the watch to the phone, you have a Bluetooth connectivity telling you have a strong signal and the watch is connected to the phone. You also have airplane mode right to the right, and I'll show you guys on the screen here all the different notifications or indicators on the screen and what they mean. So you start off with Bluetooth technology, connection, number of new notifications and notifications that you have some, airplane mode enabled, DST when your summer daylight savings time mode is on, P for PM when you're in 12-hour format, snooze indication, alarm when the alarm indicator is on, that means you have alarm set up, mute when the watch is on mute, vibrations on when you have vibrations on the watch, auto light on feature, and battery low indicator. When the battery low indicator is on, it means that the voltage on the battery is low. It's time to consider changing the battery before it dies out completely. This one does have a quite a long battery life, so I wouldn't be too concerned about that. But when the indication does come on, consider changing the battery in a timely manner. All right. This watch is matte black. You can see here, it's a nice little matte black finish there. Got the orange accent there for the run. Otherwise, it's black and gray throughout. All right, the light button there, also gray in color. It has a nice little material or little print under for the grip. For very minimalistic design, if I pronounced that correct. And then you have the nice pattern throughout the band that also gives you a nice little grip on the band. Okay, then you have this neat little design here. It's I haven't seen this. I don't recall seeing this before. This is the new transparent right there design that goes through the back there. It's supposed to be for comfort, and it kind of holds and wraps around your wrist a lot better. So it's there for comfort, but it's cool because it's not ugly design. I think it's nice, transparent looking design, and it's aesthetically pleasing, I think, in my opinion. Okay, the buckle on this one is plastic, so the band and the bezel, it's actually urethane, is not resin, so it's urethane. It's supposed to last longer. It's a lot more flexible, comfortable, I would say. Otherwise, it's the same durability that you know from G-Shock. All right, inside you can see that it's common with these running watches. You have the little lip there, the little tooth that hangs from the top of the band keeper. Right there, it kind of slips inside one of these crevices here, these holes. It keeps the watch from moving and falling off as you run. All right, like I said, it's black buckle there with the metal kind of holder. All right. On the back, you have the back plate. There is screws, not a screw back. So you have screws, 4 screws to be precise. Right there, module 3506, GBD-200, Bluetooth technology. This one does not have GPS functionality. Well, correction, it does have GPS, but it's not built into the actual watch. It uses the phone's Bluetooth technology to connect to the phone and uses the phone's GPS to log it on the actual application. So 20 bar water resistance, so that's 200 meters. This watch, like I said, it does have Bluetooth technology, vibration, 200 meter water resistance, step tracker, GPS with Bluetooth link, urethane band and bezel. All right. So there's the pretty much summary of the design. The video is already almost 10 minutes, so I'll end it there. And then the next video I'll talk about all the different windows and what they show you, what functionalities there's available. And then I'll do videos thereafter to kind of show you how to function the watch and how to operate the watch in each of those windows. Starting off, I will show you really quick the home time window. There's 4 windows here: home time, workout, stopwatch, activity, and then notification window. Right, back to your home time. You can push and hold the bottom button there, the B button, to always take you back to your home time, and there you have it. And with that, guys, I'll let you go. Until next time, please consider subscribing. I'll do another quick video shortly after this one, and you guys can see how to navigate all the windows and how to operate them. All right, till next time, this is Chicago. Holla at your boy, guys. Don't sleep on this watch. It's very comfortable, small design. I'll actually put it on my wrist here really quick. I got a 6.5-inch wrist. It's relatively small wrist. So kind of compare this. It's very comfortable. Immediately when you put it on, you'll see that it feels like cotton on your wrist. And there you have it. You can see not a large profile. All right, guys. Till next time, this is Chicago. Holla at your boy. I'm out of here. Peace.
My G-shock, I'm rocking 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 my G-shock.